Horse stance, single punch. The horse stance is a position that's like riding a horse, with a feeling of being grounded. For these series of songs, always get into ready position, then butterfly position, and then horse stance. Stand with the legs apart, feet pointed forward and knees bent to be in a stable stance with a low center of gravity. Arms are bent back with the fists clenched at the waist and pointing upwards. This stance is commonly used during exercises, like practicing punches. This stance is to be practiced in place. With a single punch, extend and rotate the arm forward. You can add some footwork or silly moves during the song to make it more dynamic once the children are familiar with this move. Try running in place in between the sets or doing some dance moves, that is, before getting into ready position again.